Good morning, guys. How we doing? Welcome again to today's live Forex trading session. So we do this every Thursday. For those of you that will be joining us much later when we are done with this broadcast, we do this every Thursday morning. We come on here by 10 a.m. and to analyze the market and to make money with you guys. So you can watch the video to the end to learn how we analyze the markets and learn how to make money. So if you know somebody that should be here, that is yet to be here, let them know that we are live and we are ready to go. Okay. Let everybody know that we are live and we are ready to start making money from the market. So invite friends, invite your family. Let's go. Okay. Let everybody know that we are live on Facebook and on YouTube. Okay. So we started a bit late, so we'll just wait for a few more people to join and then we get started. We dive right into the market so that we can make some money from the market. Okay. So invite friends, invite family. Let everybody know that we are live. Okay. Whoa. It has been an amazing week so far. Yes, I think we're having some issues streaming on Facebook. Okay. Issue on Facebook's end. Okay. I think we're having little issues with our Facebook streaming. Let me check up on those on Facebook and see what's going on there. I think Facebook is seriously having some downtime or something like that. Let me see. So welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Once you join, let's know your name and where you are joining us from. Okay. Let's know your name and where you are joining us from. All right. Once you join us, let's know your name and where you're joining us from. Okay. It's going to be such an amazing time today again. So good morning, everyone. Good morning. Please make sure you're sharing the link. Once you join, anybody that you know that should be here, that is yet to be here, share the link with them. Let them know that we are live. We'll be diving right into the charts in 1 minute. Okay, in 1 minute, we are going straight into the charts. So let's everybody know. Zero. Let everybody know that we are live. Okay. All right, so welcome everybody. We have 66 people in the house today. Amazing. So, for those of you joining for the first time, what we do here basically we analyze the market, and I try to teach you guys how to trade forex while we're analyzing the market together, and then I also give you guys setups and signals once we find any. Okay, so good morning everyone. Chidera, let me give everyone a shout out before we go to the chat. So, good morning, Chidera from Kenya. Follow us up. Good morning. Yeah, follow us up. Said I anticipate 1K dollars today. Yeah, it's happening. FXDaddy, my G. Good to see you. Good to see you. Daniel Canus, good to see you. Bin Naheri, this is your first time. You're welcome. Bless Health, good morning. Reynald from South Africa. Good to see you. Music Jack Guru, first time, good morning, welcome. Oluwatosin from Ondo State. Akib, good morning. Jide, good morning. Atinu K, good morning. Ahiabu, good morning. First time, welcome. Sarah Part, good morning. Ogbalika Joseph OGs. Welcome Ahiabu Wisdom. Welcome Joseph from Ebonyi State. Wheezy from William. Yeah, welcome. Did you go from Lagos? I keep from Lagos. Good morning, how is family? Good to see you. David BME, good to see you again. Today's live session. J Emeka from Tanzania. Good to see you. Luatilsint from Ondo State. Godwin from Abuja. Jojo from Abuja. Austin from Cambodia. Amos from Abuja. Daniel from Benin. Onyebuchi, good morning. Chingoke, good morning. Charles, good morning. Abdullah Muhammad from Kaduna State. Welcome, Ogbolu Benjamin. Good morning from Abuja. Bright Uche, this is your first time here. You're very much welcome. We'll have some first timers package. So after now, you can meet the ushers for your buff and cook. Okay. So Tanatua from Zimbabwe, good morning. Atinuke, good morning. Kilian from Cameroon, Queen from Abuja, Ben from Nasarawa, Ahiabu from Ghana, good morning. Kebezi, good to see you, good morning. David FX from Masabo, Yelade from Jos. Who else? Stephen Crown, first time, welcome. Make sure you take your first timers package before you go. Dickerson from Plateau State, man, it's freezingly cold here. It's cold here too, man. In fact, it's actually still raining at this point. All right. So Madrid from Ogun State, teacher. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. So welcome, guys. We're going straight into the chat. We already have some time spent already. So let's waste no more time. Let's move to the business of today, which is making money. All right. So before we go to the chat, let me quickly give you guys the regular disclaimers and the house. Okay, so once you join our live session, there are three things you should know. Number one is that our win rate is 70%. That means that 70% of the time we will be most likely correct on our analysis. All our live sessions are recorded here, so you can go check the statistics for yourself before you believe what I say. So check the statistics for yourself, check out your analysis for yourselves, and confirm that what I'm saying is actually true. So 70% of the time that we are actually correct on analysis and we make money, and that also means that 30% of the time we might be wrong. So that brings us to the second disclaimer, which is make sure you're not putting all your money on one single signal, on one single setup. It doesn't make sense. It is not wise. So make sure you're not doing that. Okay, so every time I give you guys a setup, make sure you're not risking all your money on one trade. Okay, and then finally apply proper risk management. Finally, also our strategy might not be same with your strategy. It might not make sense to you. It might not be the same with your mentor strategy, but that doesn't mean that we are wrong, and that doesn't mean that you are right. Okay, so either ways, if my strategy doesn't make sense or you can't relate with it, it's fine. It's okay. We can have different strategies and still make money in the market. So it's nice. It's cool. Okay, so don't bother trying to give us negative energy on the comment section. We don't mind. We are not saying you. Okay, so make sure that you just, if the strategy doesn't make sense to you, it's nice, it's cool, no problem, no biggie. So that's it. Let's move to the charts. Let's go make some money. So you guys know how it goes. Give me some energy. Give me somebody already dropping the energy on the chart. You guys know how it goes. OGs in the house. Come on, let's pump the energy. Let's move the energy to the next level now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Drop the energy on the chat. Let's go. OGs in the house. Drop the energy on the chat. Let's confuse the newbies. Let's make the newbies feel like they don't get it. They don't get it. They don't understand what's happening. Come on, guys. Give me the energy on the chat. Let's move right into the market. Let's go make some cool bucks. Okay, so drop some energy on the chat. Drop some energy on the chat. Drop some energy on the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Drop the energy. 100%. Money must be made. Money must be made. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I can see some emojis in the house dropping some energy already. Money must be made as it should be. Come on, come on. Come on, guys. Drop the energy on the chat. Let's go. Let's pump up the energy and let's move into the market. Let's go make some cool bucks. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Money must be made. Type it on the chat. Money must be made. If you believe you're going to be making money with us today, type on the chat. Money must be made. Let's go make some money. All right. Fantastic. I think I need this light in front of me. It's too far from there, but it's cool. Can you guys see my face clear? Is my face clear? Okay, I think it's clear. It's manageable actually. Just 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. All right. So let's go. Money must be made. Let's move to the charts ASAP. Let's go get some money for ourselves. Okay. All right. So please, if you can see my chat, let me know that you can actually see my chat. If you can see my chat, let me know that you guys can see my chat. If you can't see my chat, let me know. So we hit take profit on the AUD USD signal I sent for you guys on the chart. In fact, I've not even checked it, but let me check it. Let me check my chart. I've not opened the chart this morning. This is my first time opening the chart this morning. And I'm already seeing that we have made some money. Let me check, guys. Let me check. Mic check. Let me see. The trades have closed and we made some money. Okay, fantastic. So this is it on the chart. This is one of my clients' accounts. You guys know I manage a lot of accounts. So this is, can you guys see this? Can you guys see this profit? Can you guys see this? So we made some money on AUD USD. Amazing, amazing, amazing. If you can't see it, I mean, you need to go get some glasses. All right. So I'm excited. We made money on AUD USD signal. So hopefully we're going to do more again today. All right. Let's do more today. Wow, 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 wow. Amazing. All right, so let's go, guys. Let's go. So let's start our analysis today from EURGBP. Chart is very clear. Okay, good. I can see. Okay, good. So let's start from EURGBP. Let's see what's happening on EURGBP. Now, EURGBP, we also made money EURGBP. That was on Monday. This signal, if you guys can remember, I dropped the signal on last was this last week? This was from last week, I think, last week Friday or so. But the signal, the trade was still ongoing as of this morning. So I'll have to check some other trades, some other accounts I entered on this. But however, I know they ended on profit, just like you guys just saw now. So let's start from a daily time frame. Let's see what's happening. Please, guys, permit me to check the news first. Let me be sure. Tomorrow is NFP. Let me be sure that we are clear for today, so we don't go and jam problems. So once you come on the chart every morning, first thing you do is to make sure that you check the news. Okay, check the news so that you don't land yourself into some terrible stuff, so that you don't go find yourself in problems. You enter a trade and news just messes you up like big time. So check. I'm opening the news now to see what's happening, to see what we have, to see what we have coming out on today's news. All right. Okay, so today we have ECB interest rate decision by 1:15 that would definitely affect the euro, and we also have ECB press conference affecting the euro by 1:45. So, bro, anything ECB press conference, interest rate decision is usually crazy. So we might have some very crazy movements on euro pairs sometime later today. Okay, but however, let's do the analysis. Let's see what we have. So on a daily time frame, on EURGBP, we are clearly seeing that we have some we still have some movements, possible movements that will go to the downside, because this is a monthly time frame, and on a monthly time frame, this is where we are seeing um a next support somewhere around this level. This whole level here is where we are seeing the next possible support. So it is possible that this market, I mean, it still has some movement to go to the downside from what I'm seeing, because we're having series on lower lows and lower highs, even on a monthly time frame. Okay, so if you scale down to a daily time frame, this is where you're seeing where this is where we are currently. The market is clearly looking for a breakout of this level because it has touched it multiple times, and the market is already building momentum to move to the downside from this level. So I'm very positive that a breakout will happen here. I'm very much positive that a breakout will happen here. So we'll be looking for for a selling opportunity by the time we move to a lower time frame. Okay, so let's go to a daily time frame. Let's see what's happening. Let's see. So on the 4-hour time frame, also we are seeing some downward momentum. The market is kind of ranging around this our breakout zone. All this level here. We're seeing the market ranging around this level, and this is very familiar because this is looking more like a breakout, just clearly loading here. And if I put a moving average, I know this market would probably be trending below the moving averages right now. Exactly what I said. So look at a 4-hour time frame. This is a 20 moving average. This slim moving average is 20 moving average, and 50 is a 20 moving average. I use them for confirmations. Okay, I have different ways to combine moving average to give me confirmations for my strategy. Okay, so that said, we're definitely in for a downtrend on EURGBP. So let's see whether we'll see a setup on a 1-hour time frame. Let's see whether we'll see some liquidity blocks to liquidate so that we can move to the downside. Now, straight up, I'm already seeing some right here. I'm seeing one here. I'm seeing one right about this level, and I'm already seeing another one somewhere around this level, this whole level. Okay, so I'm very much interested in the both levels. Okay, considering that a news is coming out in like 2 hours, so I might be most interested in this second level here, the liquidity block around this level over here. So I'm very positive that if the news for any reason gives us a breaks above this level, does a liquidity grab above this whole level here, and then taps into this liquidity block here, I'm positive that this sell would most definitely happen pretty much. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting to happen here. This is one variation of it. It's also possible that we might see something like this happen. We might see something like this happen. Then grab this one for on EUROGBP. So most likely I'll be using this level here as my liquidity block. This is where I want to take trades from. This is where I want the liquidity grab to happen to make me interested in this market. So going forward, I would be putting a sell limit order here. Sell limit order here. ATR is approximately 4 pips on EURGBP. So we can comfortably use a 15 pips for stop loss for stops, and then our target, of course, is a good decent 1:2. Okay, so if this happens, this is what I'm looking out for. This is what I hope would happen on this particular pair. So risking 15 pips on EURGBP, putting a sell limit order here. So I'll give you guys the coordinates. I'll give you guys the entries and exits before the end of today's live session. So stay to the end so that I can give you the appropriate entries and exits. Okay, so if we start entering the trades now, I mean, it might take a little while, and because I trade multiple accounts, so I'll have to. I mean, it take like 5-10 minutes out of this live session. So we'll do this at the end of today's session. Okay. So this is what my entries will typically look like on EURGBP. So stay tuned. I'll give you guys the entries and the exit. So I've already flagged this yellow, telling you that we will definitely come back to this shortly. Okay. So let's move to Euro to the USD. Let's see Euro USD. Now, this I analyzed this particular trade with the guys that were on the floor with me yesterday. If you're on the floor with me yesterday, type on the chat, guys. Type on the chat. Let me know if you're on the floor with me yesterday during our first cleaning section where we analyze Euro USD. Type on the chat. Let me know that you guys were on the floor with me so that we can celebrate this together. So we got almost very close to just a 3 pips shy of our take profit, and the market is back to like 1:1. But however, that's cool. That's fine. Just move to break even, and I mean, you'll be fine. Okay. So let me see what we have from a daily time frame perspective. So from a daily time frame, we sorry. All right, so from a daily time frame, we are still very much on an uptrend on Euro USD. As you can clearly see from all indications, we are still on an uptrend here for a day trader and a scalper, because we're having series of higher highs and higher lows all the way here. We're having higher highs, higher lows, and we are still much on an uptrend here. Okay, so we're definitely looking for buying opportunities, and on the 4-hour time frame also we are still on an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. And if we put a moving average confirmation, I'm very positive we will be trading both. As you can see, 4-hour time frame, we are still above the 50 moving average and the 20 moving average. So for those of you that haven't entered the trade or did not enter this trade yesterday, you can still use this. I think this is still pretty much correct. If the market doesn't head straight to our take profit, the market might still come over here to do some form of liquidity grab so that we can move to the upside. So this is still a very, very valid trade. I'll share the coordinates and the entries with you guys before the end of today's live session. So if this happens, this place will still provide some form of credible support for a liquidity grab. I'm also hoping anyway that news doesn't mess this up. I'm still hoping that news doesn't mess this up, guys. So I'll still give you guys the entries for this before the end of today's live session. So it's already flagged, so I'll give you guys the session. So on you, I'm owing you guys signal on EURGBP and Euro USD. So let's check on one of the Euro JPY pairs. Let's check on one of the JPY pairs. Let's see what's happening. So I shared this with some of the guys on the floor yesterday. I mentioned to those on the floor that EURJPY is probably heading for a very brief crash before we go back to um, a rally up to the upside, because this market it still has some rally to do. If you look at it from a monthly time frame perspective, the market might still very much rally maybe up to this level somewhere here, this level, which is a key level on a monthly time frame. So the market will still rally very much on a daily on EURJPY, but for a moment this market will likely crash for many reasons. One being that on a daily time frame, we're already seeing that this market has broken this minor support right over here with this big bearish candle, and we're seeing the market heading for this level right here, this 167.400 level. So we might see this market touch this level briefly before the market rallies. That is something like this, okay, before going all the way up. Or the market might even do something like this, then find support at this level and then move up. This particular level here, it's a very, very key support level also. Okay, so this might be what we might see happen on EURJPY. So either ways, I'm confident that EURJPY will crash momentarily before we start heading to the next level. All right, so that said, let's go back. Let's scale down to a 4-hour time frame to see whether we can get some entries. As of yesterday, I already entered a sell at about this level. The market gave me some break even, and the market is back on profits already. So this is what my entries. I'm already on I'm already on a trade on EURJPY for a sell, okay? Because this market will briefly sell to this level. That's my prediction. That's my analysis on this. So let me give you guys entries on this. For EURJPY, it's most likely an instant entry because this is a liquidity block. It has already been liquidated. This whole place, this whole area right here, the market has already liquidated that. So this is where I want to sell from. So this is an instant execution for those of you that have not entered already. This is it. Let me give you guys the entries and the exit. So for this, we are risking 50 pips on this. This is EURJPY, risking 50 execution, guys. So um we're risking 50 pips on this, so you can enter now. Okay, EURJPY instant entry, EURJPY sell, instant entry, risking 50 pips. Enter the trade now. I'm already on this trade, guys. So enter now, enter the trade now, enter the trade now. EURJPY sell. Our stop loss is at 170.281. Instant sell order right now. So guys, go execute this trade. I'm already on the trade. From yesterday, the market gave me some profit, and as of early hours of this morning, I was on a bit of loss, but the market is back at my entry. So you can enter this trade now. Enter now. EURJPY sell. EURJPY sell. This is an instant order. This is not a pending order. This is an instant execution, guys. So go execute this trade now. Sell EURJPY, 50 pips stop loss, and our take profit is at 100 pips. Okay, so that's the entry. Stop loss is at 170.281, and our take profit is at 168.754. So let me go ahead and type it on the chart. EURJPY, JPY instant sell at 169 dot 772. SL is at 170.281, and TP2 is at 168. So for members of the team, please make sure you're translating these signals on the WhatsApp and Telegram channels. Okay, so please take note of the signals and translate them to the WhatsApp and Telegram channels, right? So that's it. Entries. Oh geez, I typed with another number. Oh my god. Oh my god. I used another channel. I'm joining the live with another channel. I didn't know that. So let me join with TradeWave and retype this. Okay, but let me just I think I can just pin this one. Good. Okay, so I just pinned the chart for you guys. I just pinned the entries for you guys. EURJPY instant sell at 169.772. Stop loss at 170.281. And TP2 at 168.754. Right. So that's it. So that's it, guys. The sell is already moving a few pips in profits, guys. Enter now. EURJPY instant sell. EURJPY instant sell. EURJPY instant. Somebody is asking what time frame. Any time frame, guys. Enter on any time frame. Enter on any time frame. Just make sure you're putting the correct stop loss and the correct take profit. Okay. Instant sell, guys. Instant sell, and then come back. Let's continue the live session. Okay. All right. So let me mark this blue. We're already on the trade. So GBP we analyzed a trade on this board. Of course, our entries were not triggered. So please, if you are still on the GBP pending order that I gave you guys earlier this week, please, you can exit now. I dropped about 4 signals this week. We have AUDUSD giving us TP2, that's 1:2, and we had GBP card on loss, and I think one other one that we had stop loss on. But with the AUDUSD giving us 1:2, we are definitely back at like break even right now. So make sure you are um so make sure you exit the trade on GBP CHF, exit all trades or every pending order, sorry, exit every pending order that is yet to be triggered from early hours of early this week. Okay. So I'll give you guys fresh ones today on EURGBP and on EURUSD. Okay, so we already have instant order on EURJPY. We already have an instant order on EURJPY. All right. So all other pending orders that have not been triggered, please go ahead and delete them. Okay, go ahead and delete them. I'm deleting mine now. I'm deleting mine now. So if you have any order that is yet to be filled from from early this week, go ahead and delete them now. Okay. So let's check on which other pair, guys, you guys want us to check on. Which other pairs do you guys want us to check on? If you have any pair you want us to check on, please type on the chat. Let's analyze it. Okay. If you have any pair you want us to check, type on the chat so that we can analyze it together. Let's analyze it together. All right. Or if you're seeing a signal, if you're seeing a setup somewhere and you think it's a good setup for us to check out, type that on the chat. Let's go check it. Let's go check it. Let's go check it. All right. This week has actually been very amazing for me, like really, really amazing. Like I'm excited. This week has just been back to back to back to back to back profitable for me. I'm just looking at I'm just looking at um all my trading accounts, and I mean this week is smooth, just like last week. Very smooth week. All right. Okay, so let's check on. I can see everybody has left to go and execute the trades. Okay, so welcome back, guys. Once you join back, let's know you're back. Okay, let's welcome you back. We had like 98 people, and immediately I dropped the signal. We're like 71 people. So I think everybody has gone to go and execute the trades. And so once you're back, welcome back. Let's continue, guys. Let's continue. Good. Oga, calm down. Somebody's spamming our chat with gold. Bro, gold. I analyzed gold yesterday anyway. For the guys that were with us on the floor yesterday, I analyzed gold and I gave them certain reasons why I try to avoid gold. So let me tell you guys why I try to avoid gold. Let me tell you guys why I try to avoid gold. Okay. Now listen to this. Now, gold is a very amazing currency. Trust me, it's an amazing, it's an amazing commodity to trade, is an amazing asset to trade. But the truth is this: a lot of gold movements much on depends a lot on more economic factors than technical factors. Okay, a lot of movements that you see happening on gold is simply because gold is a safe haven asset. Okay, so when a particular economy probably is not doing, let's say the US dollar is not doing well, euro, they tend to just dump it and just buy gold. So a lot of movement you see happening on gold is not really because of technical reasons, it's more of economic factors and fundamental reasons. And unlike every other currency pair that you might have seen in the past, now let me show you what gold has been doing for the past. I mean, since the inception of gold, since gold became a commodity, this is what gold chart looks like. It has just been on a bullish trend from like 1928. You understand? In fact, from 1833, gold has just been on an uptrend, and it's very simple. Is the reason being that it's a safe haven asset. You understand? So most times you perform analysis on gold and it plays out well. Trust me, it's not playing out because of technical analysis. It's playing out most of the time simply because of economic factors. But if you happen to be at the right place at the right time, it might make sense. You'll make a lot of money. And but as much as possible, I just try to avoid trading gold. There's a lot of traps on gold. But of course, who am I? I'll analyze the trade for you. I'll analyze it for you and then leave you to yourself. You can go trade gold. So gold from a 4-hour time frame perspective, of course, this is looking like a downtrend, becoming an uptrend. The structure has changed. So what we need to go now is to go to a lower time frame and find entries and exits. So on a daily time frame perspective, also we are still trading above the 50 moving average, and so just a little bit at the 20 moving average. So we're still an uptrend. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so let's see whether we'll see an entry on 1-hour time frame. So on 1-hour time frame, I'm seeing this minor support level here, and I am also seeing this level here. Okay, so these are two levels I'll be most interested, to enter a trade on gold. I'm also seeing this one here. Okay, now if you zoom back to 4-hour time frame, this one looks most likely, this level at 2329 level looks most appropriate for me to trade, if I want to enter a trade on gold, somewhere around this level right here. Okay, so I'll be looking for a buy opportunity on gold. For now, gold will most likely retrace to maybe this level, or you can also use a Fibonacci on a 4-hour time frame. This is a very good chart to use a Fibonacci on. So if you put a Fibonacci on this, we are looking at gold retracing to maybe between 50% and 61.8%, which is quite tricky for me. Let me see a moving average. Let me see what a moving average, where the moving average falls. Okay, quite good if you look at it from, if you consider a moving average. So we can see this market do something like this, somewhere in between 50% retracement and 61.8% retracement. We might see some level of support here. Okay, but like I said, I'll be most comfortable at this 2329 level, which is right here. I'll be most comfortable to enter in for a buy here, where when all the early buyers have been stopped out, the liquidity has been grabbed sufficiently, and then we can head to the upside. So that's my analysis on gold. First case scenario is this, and second case scenario is something like this. Okay, so either ways, this is what I will be expecting on gold if I was a gold trader. All right, okay, so let's go, guys. Let's check on okay, somebody says check on Euro AUD because of the news. Okay, let's check on Euro AUD. Let's see what's happening on Euro to the AUD. So I already have I flagged this. That means there must be something I'm looking at on Euro AUD, which I am not seeing right now. All right, so Euro AUD, as you guys should already know, Euro AUD, AUD NZD are very much ranging pairs. They range a lot. Euro AUD and Euro NZD, they range, AUD NZD range a lot of AUD pairs generally, though they range a lot. Okay, so on a daily time frame perspective on Euro AUD, I'm very much positive that I'm seeing a lot of structures being broken here. Let me move the moving average out so you can see what I'm saying. So I'm seeing a lot of structures being broken here on Euro AUD. Okay. Okay, well, they've not been really broken, though. If we consider it this way, they have not really been broken. If we consider this support here, which has turned resistance, they have not really been broken. So we can actually state that this is still a downtrend. We're pretty much still on a downtrend on Euro AUD. I've been selling Euro AUD like from, I think, somewhere here. I've made money like 3 times within like 3 weeks on Euro AUD. So all of them are sell opportunities. So this sell might still, very much happen. But I'm a bit skeptical looking at it from a 4-hour time frame, because this has been tested way too many times. This resistance has been tested way too many times and very closely. So we might see a break happen to the upside based on experience. When you see the market test many times a support level or a resistance level, it's possible that the next thing you might see is a breakout. So let me teach you guys this. Let me just divert a little bit and teach you guys this. So when you see the market do something like this, like this, Okay, let me do like this, this, and then it starts doing this, this. Most likely, what you are looking at happening here is a possible break to the upside. Now, of course, it can also break to the downside if there are a lot of gaps here, if there are a lot of fair value gaps and mitigations to occur below here. But most likely, it usually breaks to the upside. But as a rule of thumb, anytime the market has tested a support level or a resistance level more than 5 times, I become skeptical. I enter between the second time and the 5th time. I can enter a sell when this market does this. After this market has done first push down, second time, this third one, I will enter a sell here. If the market comes out the 4th time, I will definitely enter a sell. If it does it the 5th time, I will enter a sell. But after the 5th time, I'm very skeptical. The market might break to the upside. This one now is by experience. It's not on any textbook. It's not anywhere. This is just my personal experience. You can feel free not to agree with it. It's fine. It's cool, man. Okay. But by experience, I know that once the market has touched a support or resistance level more than 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, bro, it's going to break out the next time. Okay. So I prefer getting a support or resistance level after the second time, the third time, the 4th time, the 5th time. That's cool. But anything above that time, I mean, bro, iron entry, bro, it might break out. Okay. So going back to the chart, this is what I mean by that. So if you look at this level now, look at this 4-hour time frame, look at this support level, has been tested first time here, second time, third time, 4th time, it broke into the level, 5th time, 6th time. And as you can see, this 6th time now, we're not seeing, let me put it on a 1-hour time frame so you see it very clearly. So we're not seeing significant, push to the downside, just like we saw the previous fight. The market came here and then started ranging at a resistance that is as strong as this. It's just playing around on the resistance level, no significant drop. Bro, this market might be heading to a break to the upside. So pay attention to this anytime you see it, and always be careful about this. So between the second time and the third time, feel free to enter. But anything above that, a breakout might just happen. So I'm skeptical about this happening right here. So for now, I think I have to let me just put another color so I can check. I want to check this out to confirm what happens on Euro AUD later. Okay. So which other currency pair you guys mentioned? A USD card. All right, let's check on USD to the card. Where is this fly coming from, bro? Take your time, man. So let's check on USD card. Let's check on USD to the card. So from a daily time frame on there's nothing to do. No, I'm not doing anything. Let me teach you guys this one. So please, anytime you look at a chart and you look at it from any time frame at all, where is this flag coming from, bro? You're stressing me out. So anytime you look at a chart and you can't at the instance tell what the chart is doing, whether it's on an uptrend or on a downtrend, most of the time it's best to actually just ignore it. Look at USD card. When you look at it on a daily time frame, you can't rightly say that this is what the trend is actually doing. It's looking like an uptrend, it's also looking like a downtrend. So with this already, I'm already discouraged going to a lower time frame because I'm already confused from a higher time frame. So I'm already very skeptical that any analysis I'll do on this would actually be right. Most likely, if I proceed to do an analysis on this, I will, most of the time, 50% I will be wrong. So I don't want to take the chances on that. So even on the 4-hour time frame, it's looking like it's ranging, it's looking like a downtrend, it's looking like an uptrend at the same time. So I will not be analyzing anything on USD card. In Forex, when you're a Forex trader, understand that you are not that wise as you might think. Okay. Forex is not really for very wise people. It is for people who know how to follow instructions. It is for people who know how to simply find a strategy in the market and repeat it many times, despite what your smartness is telling you. All right, so don't try to be a smart person in the market. Market does not pay the people who do the best analysis. It pays the people who simply enter the market when they should enter the market. Okay, let me zoom out so you guys can see my face when I'm saying this one. So the market is not for smart people, bro. This market is not for people. It's not for people who feel they are smart. It's for people who can simply spot a trend and follow the trend, or find when a trend wants to start and follow the trend. Okay, so it's not for smart people. So don't try to don't deceive yourself to think yourself very wise and smart. I mean, this man, you don't need to be that smart. You just need to follow instructions and you'll be in profit. Okay. All right, so we're not doing anything on the USD card because there's nothing to do. Bro, why is this fly just disturbing my live session? All right, so let's check on AUDJPY, AUDJPY and GBP USD. Now, the reason I jumped GBP USD is because we already analyzed a correlated pair, which is Euro USD and AUD USD. So anything we do on GBP USD might be, most likely correlated. So there's no much to do, but of course, I'll check on it for you guys. So let's check on AUD, AUD to the JPY. Let's check on AUD to the JPY. All right, so AUDJPY has a similar analysis to EURJPY. Remember on the EURJPY, we already entered a sell on EURJPY. We already entered a sell on EURJPY. Let me see how our sell is doing. Okay, we are just a few pips in profits. Okay, but similar analysis to AUDJPY because, of course, they are very much correlated because of the JPY. Um, they are all moving in the same direction. So my analysis on EURJPY is same. We'll most likely see this market sell to somewhere about this level. We're already seeing a minor support broken on a daily time frame. As you can see, the market, this support here and this one here. Okay, so we already see that these two support levels has already been broken. So most likely this market will break to the downside before we see a rally to the upside. So my analysis is same on EURJPY and AUDJPY. So we might see this happen all the way down here. Then the market rallies all the way up. Okay, or we might also see something like this happen, then break to this level and then rally from this one. So either ways, any of these liquidity blocks are most likely be liquidated before we get a move to the upside. All right, so that's my analysis on AUDJPY. We have a short sale going to happen on AUDJPY, then the market would rally from there. So let's check on GBP USD. Let's check on GBP to the USD. So on GBP USD, we are seeing that we are still on an uptrend, just like on Euro USD. We're on an uptrend, just like on Euro USD. And on GBP USD, if we go down to a lower time frame, I'm seeing some possible blocks, liquidity blocks somewhere at around here. I'm also seeing another one somewhere around here. All right, so this is what the market might find some find support at this level, here. It might do a liquidity grab, come down somewhere below. One scenario, or the market can also do something like this. Use this as a formal support on resistance, then grab liquidity from here and then all the way up. So this is the second scenario. Any of these two might happen on GBP USD. Okay, but of course that would after the ECB news today by 1:45, we'll see a lot of movement on GBP USD. So we'll just be watching GBP USD. Let's see how it goes. Already entering a trade on Euro USD. So same liquidity, almost like at same level. That I shared with you guys on GBP USD right now. As you can see, this is still our liquidity block somewhere around here. So I'll share this with you guys shortly. Okay, I'll share it with you guys shortly. So let's check on one more currency pair. One more currency pair. Let's check on one more currency pair, and then I'll give you guys the coordinates for these other trades, and then that'll be all. So type on the chat. Let me know which pair you want me to check on right now, so we can go. So today we have about 87 people in the house today. Earlier we had about 98 people, just two people shy of 100. Guys, the day we have 100 people, I'll do serious giveaway. You guys should share the link, guys. Let's have up to 100 people on our live training session, guys, so I can do massive giveaway for you guys. All right, so thank you guys for joining. Cheers. So back to the chat. AUD we've already analyzed AUD USD now. We already said something on AUD USD, guys. We already mentioned AUD USD. So please give me another chart. AUD card. All right, let's go with AUD card. Oluwatosin John says AUD card. So let's check on AUD to the card. AUD card. AUD card. So let's see what's happening on AUD card. Let's start from a daily time frame. Amazing. On the daily time frame, we are seeing that we are on this is a definite uptrend. As we can see, let's see whether we'll see some good blocks to liquidate. I'm seeing one here. Okay, I can't even use this one. This is quite far. So these are the two blocks I'm seeing, this one and this one, and this one here. So AUD card, let me go to a 1 hour time frame and look. This is good. This is good. So as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, remember what I just taught you guys. This market is still bouncing off. This is the first bounce, second bounce, third bounce. So if the market comes down here again, I'll be most likely very much interested to enter in for a buy here. If this place gets liquidated, and I like the way the market is heading towards the support, there is no much mitigation, no much retracement ongoing at this time. So if this market falls just the same way it's just falling from all the way up, if the market keeps falling that way to this level here, it will definitely rally. Okay, ATR is 8 pips, so we can comfortably risk maybe 18 pips on this. We can risk 18 pips on this, and we can do a 1:2 risk to reward on AUD card. So this is good. The guy that mentioned Oluwatosin, I think this is a very good setup he just mentioned. Okay, very good setup he just mentioned. All right, so I'll give you guys the coordinates shortly. Okay, so let me tag this. So we're entering on EURGBP, EURUSD, and AUD card. We already entered on EURJPY, which is on currently at break-even right now. So let me give you guys coordinates on EURGBP. So EURGBP, our entries on EURGBP. Let me give you guys the entry, guys. Let me give you guys the entry on EURGBP. Okay, we are risking 15 pips on EURGBP. So let me give you guys the entry 85330. Okay, 533 plus 15 8548. Okay, 480, and then our take profit is at 85030. Good. So that's the entry on EURGBP. So let me give you let me type it on the chart for you. So EURGBP, we are going in for a sell limit order on EURGBP. EURGBP sell limit. Euro to the GBP sell limit. Okay. Euro. Okay. Euro. I'm typing it now. I'm typing the entries for you. Sell limit at 0.85330. SL is at 0.85480. So guys, please, this is the time to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Once you're on this live, please guys, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up right now. If you're yet to do that, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give the video a thumbs up. We'll definitely appreciate that. So give the video a thumbs up while I'm typing out the signals for you guys. 530-85480. So let me, okay, good. So give the video a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. All right, so EURGBP, I just typed it. I just pinned it also. So you can be entering EURGBP while I type the signal, the entries on Euro USD, on Euro to the USD. So Euro USD buy limit. Entry is at 1.08400. SL is at, okay, this is 86, sorry, 8600. 0.08400. TP2 is at 1.09000. Okay. All right. So that's the entry for Euro USD buy limit. Buy limit. So I just replaced it on the pinned message. Okay. And then let's check on AUD card. So let me give you guys entry for AUD to the card. AUD card. Where is AUD card? AUD card. Good. So AUD card entry. I think I really want to see how this AUD card plays out, because I'm very positive that this is a very good this is a very good setup for us to enter on AUD card. So let me give you guys the entry on AUD card. So we're risking 18 pips on AUD card. We're entering at 0.90860. 90860. 986. 986. 18. 90680. And then our take profit is 91220. Good. All right, so this is our entries on AUD card. So let me type it on the chart for you. Let me type it on the chart for you guys. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. AUD card buy limits. AUD card buy limit. Entry is at 0.90860.90860. TP, okay, SL first. SL is 0.90680, and TP2 is at 0.91220. 860 by 9068060. Okay, good. TP2 91220. Okay, good. So AUD card buy limits, I just pinned it on the chart. All right. So those are the entries that we have for Euro USD, GBP, Euro card, Euro GBP, AUD card, and Euro to the USD. Okay, so those are entries on those three pairs. On EURJPY, we already had an instant order on EURJPY, which is on a few pips in profit. You can still enter if you have not, risking only 50 pips. Okay. All right. So that said, I love you guys and I really wish you guys all the best in your trading journey. We do this every Thursday. So make sure you join us every Thursday. I come on live here to share my strategy, to share my analysis with you guys so that we can all make money together. Okay. So give the video a thumbs up before you go. I love you guys. Have a wonderful weekend ahead and keep trading, keep learning. Tomorrow, Friday, and next, we're starting our volatility training. For those of you who want to start trading synthetic indices, we have a training ongoing tomorrow at our trading floor, live on our trading floor tomorrow by 3 p.m. And of course, we'll be streaming it on YouTube also on this same channel on YouTube tomorrow. So join us 3 p.m. tomorrow. Either you're live on the floor tomorrow or you join us online live here on our YouTube channel. Let's trade. Let's teach you guys how to trade volatility, synthetic indices. Okay. So I love you guys. Keep trading. I wish you all the best in your trading journey. I love you guys. Keep trading. Keep peeping. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Cheers and goodbye.